Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to draw a shape in Canva. So there are actually pre-made shapes that you could go ahead and search here onto Canva. So you could try to use this one. If you want to go ahead and try to create your own manually, then you could go ahead and draw. So here onto the left side, together with elements, we have the draw option in here. So there are a lot of options to choose from. You could choose different pens, markers, there is also an eraser, and you could change the color of it. For example, we want to go ahead and draw a blue heart. Let's click onto the blue color in here, and we could also try to change the weight of the pen here onto the settings. So you could go ahead and make this one bigger, and there is actually an indicator on how big it is already, and you could also adjust its transparency for that one. So let's leave it onto 100, and let's make this up until 30. Now, since this one is already selected, you could draw automatically in here. So note that you could go ahead and make sure that this one is perfect, but you could go ahead and draw as per your own preference or liking as well. And that is just basically it, how you draw a shape in Canva. If you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.